Now, first thing, whenever you store these, you always want to keep it in the case. You always want to keep it separate and protected. You also want to always store it zeroed out and unlocked. It means it needs to have no setting here, and it needs to be free to spin. That way if you drop it, it's less likely to get damaged. To operate this type of torque wrench, you have a lock and unlock feature here on the handle. Once you get it to the torque that you want, you can lock it in place. Now it's locked and it won't move anymore. Twist it again to unlock it, and then you can set it to whatever setting you're looking for. We're going to do an example with this bolt right here. Let's say we want to tighten it to 15 foot-pounds. First thing we want to do with the torque wrench is set it to 15 foot-pounds. So we were at 25, spin it back down to 20. You can see here, it's right at the 20, and the 0 is center line, on the line in the middle. And then go down an additional 5 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, lock it into place. Now we saw earlier that this bolt is a little bit loose. So you want to use a regular ratchet to tighten it up a little bit. Once you start feeling it get a little bit tight, you can take it off and switch to your torque wrench. You don't want to use a torque wrench as a regular ratchet because it'll eventually wear it down and it won't work as well. Now, as a reminder, we have this torque wrench set to 15 foot-pounds. What's going to tell us that it's there is it's going to click. Always want to tighten really slowly with these. There's the click. So you hear that right there? And from a different angle, that giveaway is how you know that it's at 15 foot-pounds. So now you can take it off. You always want to check it twice, but otherwise you're done. This bolt right here is set to 15 foot-pounds of torque.